Hey guys, it's been a while since I had put a video out. Wintertime, not a whole lot going on, but we got a chance to do a no cooling in the first week of February here in Atlanta. So let me show you what I found. This is basic, maybe more for the entry-level guys. So we'll see if we can't show you something. All right, first thing I noticed is the top is a little bit bubbled and got it on a flat surface, and you see how it wants to rock. 99.9% of the time that is a sign of a capacitor that has failed. We're going to hook up our Redfish meter up and see what we get. All right, I got us hooked up. Got our meter set, get that shadow out of the way. On a Redfish, you scroll through, put it on your ohms and capacitor test, hit your function button a couple times until you get this little N right down here. That lets you know that you're in microfarad testing. We're going to come over to our Herm and Common and nothing. Just for the heck of it, let's check the fan side of things. And nothing there either. Alright, I got a Amrad Turbo 200 because I don't have a 55 plus 5 on my truck. This is probably better than anything else that we carry on the truck. So we're going to get it in there. Hope this compressor fires up. Check the refrigerant level. It also comes with instructions. So as always recommended, RTFM. If you're not sure what RTFM means, it is read the fabulous manual. Now, these turbo capacitors, you can use them for many different capacitor ranges. And on this one here, it gives us, we got all these terminals on top, and each of those terminals have a different capacitance reading. And in the middle is our common terminal. Since we need a 55, I'm going to put a jumper from 10 to 20. It's going to give me 30. And we have a 25 here, which is going to give me my 55 microfarads. So I got some jumpers over here that come with the box. And we will put a jumper here, here, and here. And then if we come around, we have a 5 microfarad. Actually, we got a 5 closer to 6, a 5 closer to 4. And we'll put the ohm capacitor meter on that and see which one's going to get us closer to 5. And what I recommend to do before you install it is to write on the capacitor what the actual value is. And the Amrad even supplies a marker to do that with. Look at there, it's even got their name on it. All right, we got it mounted in, got our screws secured. Put our little sticker in here so everybody knows what size it is and when it was installed. All right, now that we've got our new run cap in, we're going to fire it up and check our amp draw, see how things fire up for us. System is running 15 degrees subcooling and 2 degrees superheat. It is 64 degrees outside and getting a 65-degree return inside. So with the conditions I'm in, I think we're going to leave it alone. This system does have a known refrigerant leak. We're in the middle of winter right now. As long as we got good subcooling, it is on a TXV. We're just going to leave it alone, and we'll see y'all next time. Y'all be careful. Another piece of information I forgot to give on that system is it is a zone system, 2 dampers with a bypass that does not shut off 100%, and the system runs over 1 inch of static. So to try to get something tuned in on a cool day like today and low ambient temperatures inside, crapshoot.